Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to get and use the Bybit referral code. So if you're signing up for Bybit and want to get exclusive bonuses, I've got you covered. In this video I'll show you how to use a Bybit referral code to maximize your rewards and get started with lower fees. Of course guys, to get the referral code and use it, by the way guys, if you want to get the referral code itself, we have one available for you absolutely free in the video description. Find it there. So firstly, of course, you need to register. Click on the link in the description to go straight into Bybit's sign up page. After that, enter your email and create an account by, of course, inputting a strong password as well. And when asked for a referral code, make sure to use the one provided in the description to unlock your bonus. And after that, complete verification if required and you're all set. So why should you use the referral code? It's very simple and very beneficial. Bybit offers special promotions for new users who sign up with a referral code. This can include deposit bonuses, trading fee discounts, cashback on trades. So guys, if you're ready to start trading on Bybit with extra perks, don't forget to use the referral link in the description. It's quick and easy way to get bonuses just for signing up. Guys, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Press like, subscribe. See you in the next one.